Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video we're gonna be seeing how to do your own CPS and how to test it. Now, all you have to do is go onto your Google browser. I'm on my Google browser right now, so I'm just gonna write CPS test. Okay, so now you have to click CPS test, check clicks per second. Or you could do any other link to check your CPS, but I'm gonna do this because I personally feel it's better. Now you can even add Chrome like for an extension. So you can just try CPS. My CPS is mostly 10 with a gaming mouse, but right now I'm on the office mouse. So let's just see how much I can do. I'm averaging about 5 CPS right now. Uh, so yeah, like this is all you have to do. And yeah. So guys, next time we're gonna be unboxing a very cool mouse. And we might even see. Okay, I'm not gonna spoil this for you. Just stay tuned and see the next video. Also, I know every YouTuber asks you this, but guys, please subscribe. It helps me a ton. Anyways, bye guys. Have a great day.